is episode 27 of the car show, and it's gonna end soon, so that's gonna be sad. Anyways, enjoy the car show! I'm an iPad, and I'm in the car show. I don't know why. Okay, seriously, we have to kick out the strangers. I mean, like, look at this. There's even a tractor. There's even a stranger tractor. What? I just want to join your show. And also, you guys see me before on episode 22 or 21 to episode 24, I think. I don't know. You guys seen me? Remember? Hello. Okay, we're not doing that this time because we're in a bad place to do that. We're going to be correcting the car show. It's not going to be long again. Sorry. It's just that I'm kind of getting bored of these car shows. I want to move on to something else. Maybe create an animation car show, but it's just too hard for me to make. So make it easier making it this way. I don't know. Sorry, guys. But I think I might promise you guys that next episode, it might be long. But if not, then I don't know why. I'm just probably too lazy. Yeah. Besides, car show's ending. It's probably a reason why he might shorten up the video so then people can more watch it, since they don't have to watch for like 12 or 13 minutes and only watch like 7 or 6 minutes. Like my friend posts only 7 or 6 minutes. Yeah, but why doesn't he never post long videos, like all the way up to 12 or 13 videos? Like, why can he not? I wonder. It's probably because he doesn't want to post too long. Also, my friend's car show, as you heard, well, it's not going to end. It's very long until that ends. And I don't even know what other car shows I can make. Like, other shows I can make. Like, what could I make? I'm planning on that. It's only episode 27, so we still got a lot of time. Yeah. Also, guys, this will be a 5-minute video, so say speak. 5-minute video. 5-minute video. Good. 5-minute video. 5. Okay, we can stop now. I think we all got used to it. Oh my god, like 5 is like my favorite number. I might keep saying it. 5-minute episode. 5-minute episode. Okay, we can stop now. I'm getting tired of the 5s. Can we move on to the 6s or 4s? No, 6 is 2 above 5, my favorite number. And no, 4 doesn't sound right, and like, it's a less than 5, so let's all cheer 5's name. 5, 5, 5, 5! Don't say 5 out of 5 a billion times. I'm going to heaven because I said heaven's number 555 and double 666. Wow. I didn't even know it was in here. 555. Hey, purple ball, why are you still here? I thought you were still in heaven. Well, actually, you got dropped because God said yes. If I want to allow this kid, then he has to say 555 a billion times. And he didn't say it a billion or a million times. He go right. He only said like probably 15 or 14 times. To say a billion times, that'd be like 1 year saying it. That's what he said. You mean that's what she said? Oh, he's a he. And I just said that's what he said to me. So he dropped me out. He dropped me out from the sky. And it was like this. Wait, hold on. No, it wasn't like that. It was like this. Wait, hold on. You landed right there. And then Mr. Reverse Guy, when I kicked you, you then jumped from there and you jumped back here. Yes. But I don't see that. I don't think even. Oh God, it's already over 5 minutes and 5 minutes.